story about my farming journey, my time on social media, and just kind of like any advice I can offer to them. So that was really cool. So I spoke to them all morning. I did 2 sessions. I was so nervous. You'd think spending my days talking to a camera, I'd be very comfortable. And so I tried to come across as like natural and easygoing on stage as possible. I think I got that. But my goodness, my heart, my chest, oh, it's just pounding. The caffeine I had before probably didn't help either, but I thought it went really well. It was really fun. So now I'm at the farm and I'm in the combine again. So I was thinking of getting promoted to combine driver as like it is, like in a promotion, higher level than the grain cart driver. However, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm thinking, oh, I'm full. I'm thinking maybe that this was a demotion and they moved me here because of the grain cart incident. I don't know if that's true, but that theory just came to me. I don't know. So I'm just gonna think about like a promotion because that sounds better. Ah, cab beans. I thought that I could make it to the end, but then I hit this draw and I heard sprinkles of shame. Time to unload, I guess. Man, those were my first cab beans of the whole year. Well, I mean, except for those ones. So now that I'm done loading, I just put that little thingy up, then come here, press auger in. There it goes. And now I'm empty, ready to be filled up again. Anyways, going back to the speaking, I've set a lot of goals for myself, not necessarily Laura Farms related, but just Laura's life in general. And one of them, this may sound kind of silly, but I wanted to inspire children specifically in a visible way. Like be a role model and make an impact. And being able to speak to high schoolers and then have them say them themselves or like their teachers and coaches tell them what a good role model I was for them. That's me making a little heart. That's me achieving my goals, and it just makes me so happy. What a satisfying last pass to make on the field. I mean, I'm going to end on the wrong side. I want to be on this side of the field, but it's okay. It looks cool. All right, check mark. That's another bean field done. Check this out. Combine dumping into the grain cart. It's dumping into a truck, or will be dumping into a truck. Okay, so before I just end the clip here, I'll do a little explanation. Why are we doing it like this? So because we finished this field, we don't have a scale to know how many beans are in the combine, but there is a scale in the grain cart. So in order to know, total up the field average and know which beans belong to which field and to who, we transfer them into the scale to be weighed and then taken note of, and then into the truck to be dumped on the grain site. The wind is kind of blowing from behind me, so it's hard to see, but I cracked open my dinner. It's a pre-made Caesar salad, like they have all the ingredients, but I have to say there's too much lettuce and not enough toppings. When I eat a salad, I'm looking for mostly chicken, cheese, and croutons and dressing. This thing's mostly lettuce, so I'm eating it, but meh. That is beautiful. Last pass here. You see that, folks? Is Dad coming to relieve me? It's 9 p.m. and today I did 80-ish acres. I'll call that, yeah, about 80 acres. I'll call that good.
I'm just gonna check some tires on the trucks. You kick these tires. Ha! How'd that thing get here? Still never figured out what that was. So when I was in Aurora, going to the bank this morning, I got donuts and a Kickstart. If you don't know, I love Kickstarts. Anyway, it is now warm, and I'd like it cold. So here's a little farmer hack for you. And these newer John Deere tractors, you can take these out. It fits in there. Oh no. And oh, bummer, dude. It doesn't quite fit. A regular 12-ounce can will fit in there, and you can just snap it up in there. It's like a little refrigerator. You actually have 2 of them. It works. I've never tried it with the 16-ounce cans, but that's a real bummer, dude. I wanted a cold one. Still pretty good warm. Also, I have taken over some of the editing for Laura. She's getting a little overwhelmed, so I've been doing quite a few videos actually. Most of the videos you've watched probably the past month I've edited. But so when I'm stopped in the tractor, I work on the video that the last video I'm working on right now. So wrap your brain around that. Just filled another truck and it's on the way to town. As you can see, it's a bit dusty today. Officially nighttime again. I got some food and I got my handy dandy fork, because you never know when you're gonna get a hot meal around here. The combine is having a little troubles. It's giving some engine code and reduced power, so shut everything off for a few minutes and turn it all back on. Hopefully it works. We got about 4 rounds left and then we're done beaning for 2021. It's just me now. I'm in the combine. Everyone left me. Everyone said they're tired and want to go home, but I want to get done. So I'm just gonna sit here, and I got 4 rounds or 8 passes to go. I'm just gonna sit here until it's done. I'm gonna unload myself, load the trucks. So tomorrow we can be all done with soybeans, so we can switch to corn while it's raining. So I'm just gonna sit here right here by myself and finish this. So I have a little problem. The combine came up with an error message and is limiting my engine power. Obviously something is wrong. I don't know what it is, but it's still moving. So see that little guy up there? That's what that means. Anyone know what this is? Well, by the time you guys tell me, it's probably too late. But yeah, that's my issue. I am maxed at 2.6 mile an hour. But honestly, if I was going any faster, I'd probably plug it. So I have that much left. That's how much field I have left to do. That's all the beaning for 2021 right there. That's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'd really like to get it done. Oh, look who it is!
Oh,
Hey, cutie!
this is Grant and I's first evening in the tractor together all year, and we are so excited. Grant, what did I bring you?
Laura brought me Code Red Mountain Dew.
Oh, man, he's
So
happy.
pumped.
Also brought some beef jerky and Gatorade and
No way!
Spree.
Yes!
Just for you.
Chewy ones. Can't let me eat all these tonight.
Okay, sounds good. That's quite the pile we have going on over there.
That's what you call a hill of beans. So, we're having a little eat candy, drive the combine, and read YouTube comments session right now. Just so you guys know, I totally knew that was a power line insulator.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you for telling me though. I now know, and I knew there was a lug nut missing on the trailer. Just so you all know.
Sometimes we do things just so that we can laugh along with you guys.
I like getting you riled up. You guys riled up. You're good sports.
That
So
is
thank
true.
you. But I just...
That looked just like what your mom would do.
So yeah, thanks for the comments. I think we're done here. We're still beaning right now, but
Well,
we're gonna sign off.
10:30.
10:30.
Still plugging away.
So
Thanks for watching.
please like and subscribe and leave a comment.
We read them sometimes.
Yeah.
Just like tonight. Ooh, so bright. Overall, very successful. I guess it was only a half day for me. But great day of harvest. And we'll be back at it tomorrow. Good night, everybody.